Our Nigeria police
say make you
wetin
open
be
phone.
una problem? Wetin be una problem sef? Una no go see person with iPhone, muna no embarrass am. Una no go see person with laptop, muna no embarrass am. Wetin be una problem? Wetin be una problem for that Nigeria? Wetin be una problem?
Go POS.
Hello, my beautiful people. You are welcome to Super Mama TV show. If today is the first day of coming across Super Mama, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for following this my YouTube channel. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. If you are not subscribed before, please just click the subscribe button, like this video and share it. This our Nigeria police, I don't know wetin be their problem. I don't know wetin be their problem, my people. Muna watch this video. Now make I bring this video come for una. Muna watch this video. Muna see how our Nigeria police dey embarrass our people. Thank you so much. God bless you.
The boy say not get money. They force am to call people for Benin to send money give am. Now they follow am. Go ATM, go withdraw the money. Nigeria police. This is what we are passing through now in Nigeria. When we are citizens of this country. Police brutality for Okene Road. This one are not past kidnapping. This are not past stealing. Nigeria police. One of the officers' name is Ogu Godwin. That be name. One of the officers when lead they come here for this checkpoint. Ogu Godwin from Kogi State Division.